So Daniel, could you give us a brief introduction to yourself and your organisation and the role you play in that organisation?
Yep. My name is Daniel Rose and I work at the National Library in Australia, in Canberra. I'm the technical lead of the service desk, so I have a lot of, I've been there 12 years, so I've got a lot of corporate knowledge, and I'm essentially the escalation point for stuff that the first and second level guys can't fix up.
Okay, sure. And Daniel, what ManageEngine products do you have implemented at the National Library?
We've got ADManager Plus and the staff self-service system. We set that up primarily as a replacement for our existing staff directory that wasn't particularly good in some ways.
Okay, and could you elaborate on what disadvantages you faced with your old system?
Well, the existing system that we had been developed in-house using Oracle and some Java stuff by our professional developers, and it proved that we didn't, it meant that when we want changes to our system and the way it worked, we had to pay these developers the full rate, and we needed specialised skills to work in that Oracle and Solaris environment. So yeah, moving to the staff self-service meant that we could pull the data straight out of Active Directory, and we didn't have to synchronise the two databases.
Okay, sure. And with the moving to, was that the main features and benefits of moving to this ADSelfService Plus, or?
It was actually a side effect outcome. We moved to Self-Service Plus to reduce the number of requests we had for people unlocking their AD accounts.
Okay.
So we were implementing staff self-service so that people could use the secret question and answers to unlock their own accounts. And the replacement staff directory was an added benefit of that.
Okay. And do you know on average how many tickets originally were created from that unlocking, and then how much that decreased with the introduction of AD self-service?
I don't have detailed historical data, but I can tell you that for February we had 33 passwords, 33 people unlock their own accounts. We had 18 resets and 12 changes.
Okay, sure.
So can you tell about how effectively the product has reduced the complexities of the administrator?
From administrative complexity, we've managed to remove the part of our user creation script that would make an ODBC call into the Oracle database to set up that staff directory entry. So we don't need to do that anymore because it's all in one spot. There wasn't a lot of complexity that arose from our staff directory, I guess, and so there wasn't a lot to eliminate, but it does mean that now we can build simpler interfaces using Active Directory, using skills that we've got in our service desk already without having to use the developers in the Oracle and Solaris environment.